What?
We are doing the baby food challenge. Is this made up?
What?
Baby food.
Yeah.
Made up.
We just made up.
We've got chocolate pudding.
Banana.
Hit that. Yum.
Banana and peach.
Banana and peach. That's my one.
Spaghetti with tomatoes and mozzarella.
That's
I'm doing
Jenny's
this one.
This is Lily and Jenny.
Oh, that looks like sick.
Let me see my one. Mine's a pudding. Actually smells well nice. That actually smells really nice.
I just put my hand in your lid.
Taste it. Is it nice?
Don't know, let's find out.
Right. We've got to see who eats
Right,
it.
where are we going to spit this out to?
No, we can't spit it out.
No,
spit it in the bag. That bag there.
No, right, spare the plate in here.
Ooh. It's probably out there or something.
Right. We got some of that H and some of this. Right.
This is actually really nice.
Really?
Mhm.
Right, let me try mine.
This is nice. Mine's really nice. Taste mine.
Why the fuck didn't I get yours? Wait.
It's nice, isn't it?
Right, so do we have to eat all of this or half of it?
Eat as much as you have to. That looks disgusting. Are you sick?
Yeah. There's a reason
Is
why.
that sick?
There's a reason we don't eat baby food.
It's nice.
How do babies eat this? So do I just have to keep putting it
If
in
you
my
like
mouth?
baby food, get banana and peach served by Hip
Alright, just
Organic.
ate a little bit.
Hip Organic.
Alright, just ate a little bit.
Taste this. It's really nice.
Can I eat the chocolate pudding? Should I try that instead?
Chocolate pudding looks mank. Do it over that because I'm really scared.
Why?
In case it drips everywhere.
It's like fucking shit. It looks like shit.
Ooh, that's disgusting.
Let me eat it.
No, don't eat it.
I dare you to take a little thing of that.
That is disgusting. Ugh.
What are we gonna do with all this baby food?
Give it to the dog. See if the dog likes chocolate pudding. Ta-da!
So,
Where is she? This one's the nicest.
I'm eating them.
Does she like it? Maya, do you want some bolognese?
Have a look.
Maya likes it. Maya.
No.
Yeah, come here.
That's fucking weird, mate. Oh, where's the plate?
The dog likes it. The dog's eating out of the bowl.
Oh, look, I'll show you this. I'll just put it on a massive plate.
I actually like this.
Oh, rank.
Mine's eating it out of the cup.
Oh my god, look at this. Is this still recording?
Yeah.
That is the chocolate pudding.
I'd never feed my baby that if I had a
I'm
baby.
giving it to the dog, don't worry.
No, what she has like runs, like diarrhea.
Why don't she?
I don't know. Maybe it's poison.
It's not real chocolate, mate.
Is it not?
No. It's
What
not,
is it?
It's not real chocolate.
What is it?
It's
I love this song.
no fat reduced cocoa powder, so I mean it's got no fat in it. Basically means that.
She really likes it.
What a fucking weirdo.
My dog is weird.
Right, we've got, I think, should we show them our massive haul?
Cool.
Yeah, what we got.
Alright, yeah. I'm still eating this stuff. Pretty good.
Right, this is our massive haul. 4 cans of Pepsi for a quick. Jam donuts, original. Twiglets.
Oreo.
Lucasade. 4, but some of them have gone. Eclairs. some of these. Everybody loves them. Milky
Cheerios.
Buttons.
I like this one. No! Not on the carpet.
Brain lickers.
I've got the blue one.
Wait. There's something else in here.
Oh,
I think I know what they are.
McDonald's!
And we got some gummy pizzas, which look like
Gummy pizzas.
Wow.
Wait. Zoom up.
And we got some baby food, which we've just used.
I like this.
And what else?
I feel like I might go on the baby
bought a
food
dog.
diet.
What's that?
It apparently makes you really skinny.
Yeah, but it'll turn you into a fucking little child as well.
No, it won't. Eating baby food won't make you into a child.
Yeah, but it'll make you think you need to
I
eat.
swear I
And your dog is just
I don't
eating
eat
my sick that I threw up out my mouth. That's weird.
I don't think she can hear us. I think she.
Shall we go now? Because this is weird.
Yeah, bye.